517 Marquette ramp, Otis Series 1. Wow, people are really going to watch this.
It's gonna be. What a glass.
Look at the glass. These are nice. I'm glad we came in here.
Oh, cool. Look at
Send
this.
it to B3. Watch the numbers going down and then going up to 8. I'll look up to This is 11 stories. Send it up to 8. Now let's watch out the window. Close it. There it goes. Here's our friend, Mr. Security. Here we go.
There's a view out here.
So scenic, all you see is the cars.
Want to see this view?
Not really.
Not really.
All right, let's go down to, what's the skyway level?
2.
Otis. Watch this. Down we go into the abyss.
Cool.
That was pretty cool.
I think I've seen a video of these before.
From where?
Already.
And there it goes.
Oh, yeah.
A huge thank you to all of my patrons for your support of elevaTOURS.
The video's over.
But it doesn't have to be.
You can always watch more. And you know what to do.
Click the buttons. And don't forget to subscribe. And light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.